Chapter 9, Data Analysis, Interpretation, and Presentation, page 11 to 15. Interaction Analysis, a way to investigate and understand interactions between people and artifacts, based on empirical observations such as videos. Inductive process in teams collaboratively. Contents of the material is log. Materials are extracted, classified, or removed. Instances of a salient event are assembled and played one after the another. The team of researchers studies the assemblage together. Interaction analysis is the process of evaluating each process and determining the data requirements of each and developing a matrix of what data are used by what process. By mapping the data to the processes through interaction, all processes that do not have data either are invalid processes or represent missing data from valid processes. By reverse mapping all processes to the data that have no associate processes are either extraneous data items or are missing the valid processes that need them. This mapping can take many forms. Several will be covered here. Grounded theory. Seek the developed theory from systematic analysis of empirical data. The three levels of codings are open, axial, selective. The one is open, identify the categories. Axial, flesh out and link to subcategories. Selective, from theoretical scheme. Researchers are encouraged to draw on theoretical backgrounds to inform analysis. Analytic tools to help stimulate. Question the data. Analyze words, phrase, or sentence. Comparison between object or abstract categories. Grounded theory is a systematic methodology in social sciences involving the instruction of theories through methodological gathering and analysis of data. This research methodology uses inductive reasoning, in contrast to the hypothetico-deductive model of the scientific method. A study using grounded theory is be, likely to begin with a question or even just with a collective of data, collection of qualitative data. Review the data collected, repeated ideas, concepts, or elements become patients and are tagged with codes. Illustration of open coding. The game featured game name, play description, game mechanics, rewards, interface, interactivity level, progress rate in overview. The observation. The game name is adventure, capitalize. Play description. You start clicking on a lemonade stand and collect money. Spend money to make upgrades. Increase production per click. Start hiring workers and increase production per seconds. When you have enough money, you can buy new business, automate all your business to increment more money and leave the game progress. The game mechanics, click to gain money, automate production, make upgrades to damage per seconds. Rewards, one currency, which is money, is rewarded in return. interface graphical. The interactivity level 7, progress rate 9. The overview is the single player game which requires long cycles or clicking and at the start and making a number of upgrades. Production rate reach $390 per second in less than 10 minutes and you gain 1 million in cash, making the game progress faster. Development of open coding. The analysis is process that develop incremental games super category. Each category above is part of incremental games. The process is started with open coding of observation on ideal games. Multiple codes are created. Concepts are discovered through analyzing the open codes and identifying common features. This is an iterative process where new codes are added, combined, or deleted. Each code is connected to one or more games and be combined to form new concepts. Concepts are analyzed to find common relationships and thus categories emerge. In the diagram, coloration is only to aid in reading. The left group is to show that all contained codes are part of click to manage and click to progress. System-based frameworks. Understanding a whole socio-technical system requires different analytic framework. A socio-technical system is a system that exists to serve some organizational purpose. It includes computer, software, business, process, organizational rules and regulations, human operators. Examples: a system to support admission and discharge hospital patients. A system to support purchasing in a company. Socio-technical system theory is an organizational development is an approach to complex organizational work design that recognizes the interaction between people and technology in workplace. The term also refers to the interaction between society, complex, infrastructured humans behavior. Distributed cognition of teamwork is growing in popularity as a way reasoning about group working and the design of artifacts within the work system. And representational system we are developing to support this distributed cognition analysis of small team working. It draws on ideas from contextual design, but reorient them towards the principles that are central to distribute cognition. When used to reason about possible changes to the design of a system, it, it also draws on claims analysis to reason about the likely effects of changes from a distributed cognition perspective. The approach has been developed and tested within a large, busy ambulance controlled center. It supports reasoning about both existing system designs and possible designs. So this is my report in chapter 9.